a sound, man. I come out, I see the front right there. Flat like a bat.
That's right.
You have got the gas station right there, son. And as I pull it in the ear something, I say Trini. And Trini said, Trini see it and said, you didn't say this video? I didn't say this and job, it was so. And this is why somebody carry me and I do it to them, my old lady. Me tell her for Wawa, come now road, so to drive me down here. I'm surprised you know running home. And you to me. I take off, I just take the cup.
Okay. This is heavy. This is heavy.
I mean, I need to find something. Put Android in the Apple, the little.
Oh, them upstairs.
No, one.
This is your work shift. It's tired. It seems hard. It's time to start up my t-shirt business. Let's see. It's not hard. So they're supposed to plug up. Alright. This is the turn on connection stuff. Get this manual in it. And I get these, I guess, yeah, these are connections. This is the power wire for sure. This is something.
I can't even remember how me just never said to you.
You say me never turn on or?
That's crazy.
I that them just a memory test, them just make me do up a song right now.
Remember what I just never said,
Computer.
This.
Okay. So then I have to screw up. Okay. I don't know what this is. But go in here. You don't even have to read the manual for all that, but it's gotta be here.
I want to trans.
So this little thing here, connect to this common sense. This is a common sense thing. So this card
Oh.
And then the rest of it the manual can read, but you can see this. And just tighten it here. Like this. And correct. So I don't know where this go. Oh, this come right here. Common sense again. I have not even used this thing yet. I don't even look on nothing. Common sense. The rightness so. This stuff. I guess I gotta read the manual for that. Like this. Alright. Your part, chef. Yes. Go for the computer.
The password, I think. No, I mean use that.
Hmm? Oh. What else?
No.
Alright, so let's see what going on the manual with this. So let's go. Under the bottom. Yeah. Then we'll go under the bottom. And that's it? That's all? It's set up already? Wow. I know so. I think them here forgot it for go this way. It will ease it up off of the ground. You just screw them, tighten it at the top, I guess. Screw? Mm-hmm. And the rest of them there. See that one?
Far from the camera.
Right. Here's my favorite thing. I like how the card been up right here, so though. I like that. So those things that my son is putting on, it's to keep the bottom solid. You know those thicker thing that when you put it down on the concrete, it don't slide. So that's what he's putting under the bottom. So once you push the stand under the bottom, then you're gonna use that screw and tighten it on top. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to tighten it on the top. That's what you go do. Hmm? You gonna put them up on there? Guys, you know what I like about this little kitchen counter? I do almost every little thing business-wise. I sit here and do a lot of things here. Because it's so solid. Yeah. I'm gonna be using it. McDonald's start their business. I heard it in several blogs that they start their business in their house. So you gotta start from somewhere. If you line up in a straight. 10 extra. So the machine come pre-set up, and honestly guys, we are just taking our own time to figure it out to make sure that everything is okay. So you know, when you're doing something and you want it to go right, you have to spend that time and invest your time in it. Yeah, but I'm just put them as extra. You just put 2 extra screw in there. Something kind of wrong with them here because a different screw this. Look upon them here. The screw that we put in not have no height. The one that over there so is very low. So I don't know if it drop out or it not fix properly. I don't have the height up here, so. I'm gonna check this to see what eat. I think I'm gonna need some form of paper to use. So guys, the machine all set up, and in the manual it said to do t-shirt 350 degree by 30 to 50 seconds to get your logo on your t-shirt. And that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. So we're gonna do it over. So 330 seconds. Ta-da!